Greetings, folks, and welcome to the State of the Game Audio Institute channel in mid-2024. Well, the first bit of news to say is that we now have well over 500 subscribers. Yes. Woo! All right, awesome. So, and we have been doing a lot of stuff out the side, and we will be getting some more updates, and they won't quite be happening as fast as they have been in the past, meaning like before a year ago, since about the last year we haven't had really any updates and that kind of stuff. So obviously we're going to have more updates than that. And we've been doing a lot of stuff with other kinds of game engines, aka Unreal, other kinds of game lessons with game engines, and game lessons with other middleware, aka Wise. So we'll be doing all kinds of things in that respect and making some stuff on that respect. But also, I am going to be embarking on another journey into learning Unreal and blueprints and dealing with meta sounds. And that will be to make a noisemaker called a Benjolin. And so we'll see what happens with that and how well that proceeds. So join me for that if you're interested. And also, if you happen to have any questions or any ideas that you might be able to have in terms of like some ideas that you'd like to see, some tutorials or things like that, just let us know in the comments, and we'll see what we can do to accommodate you in that particular regard. Until then, this is Scott signing off for now, and we'll see you in the videos. Hope this helps you get your game audio on. Take care.